Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Human Anatomy channel. In this video, I discuss about first week of development. One of the important event occurred in the first week of the development. This is the fertilization. Fertilization means the process of union of male and female gamete. So this is ovum and these two are male and female pronucleus. After the formation of the zygote, ovum activity start and it's prepare itself for mitotic divisions. This division known as the cleavage division because in each mitosis cell size is reduced. You know the ovum is the largest cell of the body. So in each divisions, mitotic division, the cell size is reduced. So this is the two cell stage. You see the cell size is reduced. So this is the two cell stage and the outer zona pellucida is still present. This is 4 cell stage and this is the 16 cell stage or morula. You see the zona pellucida is still present. When morula is entered within the uterine cavity, the zona pellucida is start loss and fluid entered within the cell. So there is a cavity is formed. This is known as a blastocyst cavity, and this cell is known as the inner cell mass, and this is known as the outer cell mass. The outer cell mass is start attached with the endometrium of the uterus and start eroding the tissue of the endometrium, and it start embedding within the endometrium. This process known as the implantations. Implantation is usually occur in the fundus of the uterus, endometrium of the fundus of the uterus. So this is the summary of the first week of the development. This is the uterine tube. This is ovary. Here after ovulations, the ovum is collected by uterine tube, and this is the most dilated part of the uterine tube known as the ampullary region of the uterine tube. You see here fertilization is occurred. This is ovum, and ovum just complete the second meiotic divisions, and nucleus of the ovum is converted into the female pronucleus. You see here the head and tail of the spermatozoa is enter, and this spermatozoa is converted into the male pronucleus. So this is zygote, and this is polar body, and these two are male and female pronucleus. Then it start dividing and produce 2 cell stage, then 16 cell stage or morula. Here already 2 group of cell is this is morula. Here 2 group of cell already is formed. This is inner cell mass and this is outer cell mass. And soon after when it enter within the uterine cavity, the fluid is entered within the blastocyst, and blastocyst cavity is formed. This is inner cell mass, this is outer cell mass. Here implantation is just start, and the outer cell mass is start eroding the endometrium of the uterus, and embedding of the blastocyst is start. So this thing is occurred after 6th day after fertilization. So this is all about the first week of development of the development, and I repeat what happened: fertilization, ovulation and fertilization, then 2 cell stage, 4 cell stage, 8 cell stage, 16 cell stage or morula, then blastocyst formation, implantation. So these are the important event occur in the first week of development.